by automatically inducing appropriate number of shunt capacitors. Model number 59. Here is an arrangement where we have the shunt capacitors to be connected across the inductive load. This is the inductive load and this is a linear load. Bulb is a linear load, but the power factor should be 1. We got some relays for the capacitors to be switched on depending on the power factor. Then we have a microcontroller, and then we have one comparator to compare the different aspects, different voltage, and to check the current and check the voltage. See, because we know the power factor is when the current lags behind the voltage. So in this situation, what we have done, we have taken the zero voltage reference and the zero current reference. Zero current reference means when the current passes through zero, and zero voltage reference means when the voltage passes through zero. Since there is a time lag between these two, we take into consideration this time lag, and which is being paid to the controller, and the controller takes a decision as to, depending on the time lag, how many capacitors are to come into parallel with the inductive load so that the power factor can be improved. Now once we switch on this, we find that it is trying to calculate, this is now under the inductive load in series with this lamp. It tries to calculate that the power factor, the time is about 2 to 3 millisecond delay, and the power factor is about 0.71. And once we switch on the load, it is 0.71, and once we give it to the linear load, and what we will see that in the course of time it will try to correct the power factor, and since the power factor is already, since the lamp is of a unity power factor, the capacitors which are already connected, they will go away automatically, and it will go back to the unity power factor. In the meanwhile, we can go over to the other project, which is called now you see slowly the capacitors are getting disconnected, and the power factor has gone to 0.97, and after some time it will show that the power factor is 1. Even the one relay which is on for the one capacitor also will go away. Particular type of manufacture.